Your topic is profit and loss. Let us do the problems in profit and loss. Here, what is the question given? A man buys a cycle for 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? So what is the information given? Cost price, which is equal to 1400, and what is the other information given? Loss, which is equal to 15%. It means selling price is equivalent to, what is the loss you got? 15%. If that original value cost price is 100%, if you get a 15% loss, then the selling price will become 85% of cost price. What is the cost price here? 1400. On simplification, you will get 1190. So the answer is option 2. Now coming to the second question. On selling an article for 651, what is given here? Selling price, which is equals to 651, and a loss of 7%. Loss is given as 7%. What is the cost price of the article? What do you have to find? Cost price. What is cost price? Assume cost price as 100x. Then selling price will be equal to how much? 93x, because loss is 7%. So 7% of 100x is 7x. If you deduct 7x from 100x, you will get 93x. But according to the problem, what is the selling price is given? 651. 93x is equivalent to 651, implies x is equivalent to, on simplification, you will get 61 by 93, which is equal to 7. The question here is cost price of that article. What is the cost price we assumed? 100x. What is the value of x? 7. So 100 into 7, which is equal to 700. So 700 is an answer. Option 4. Now, what is given? Selling price of an article is one third of the cost price. Find the gain percent. Here is given the ratio. First of all, what is the gain percent formula? Gain percent equivalent to profit by cost price into 100. What is meant by cost price? Selling price minus cost price by profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. So gain percent is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100, which is equivalent to S by C minus 1 into 100. Now here what is given? Selling price is equivalent to 1 by 3 of cost price. 1 by 3, if you write a simple fraction, you will get 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 by 3 of cost price implies S by C, which is equal to 4 by 3. What is asking us to find? Gain percent. So what is the gain percent? S by C minus 1 into 100. What is S by C we got? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 minus 1 into 100, which is equals to 1 by 3 into 100, that equals to 33 1 by 3%. So which is option 2. Next here, a merchant loses 10% by selling an article. If the cost price of an article is 15%, then the selling price is simple. What is the loss you got? 10%. Then selling price equals to 90% of cost price. What is the cost price is given? 15. So 90 by 100 into 15. On simplification, you will get 13.5. So the answer is option 4. Now, the cost price of 36 books is equivalent to selling price of 30 books. So what we can say? 30 books selling price equivalent to, because it's given selling price of 30 books, which is equivalent to cost price of 36 books. So 36C implies S by C, which is equals to 36 by 30, which is nothing but 12 by 10. On simplification, you get 6 by 5. What is the question we have to find? Gain percent. What is gain percent formula? S by C minus 1 into 100, which is equals to 6 by 5 minus 1 into 100, that equals to 1 by 5 into 100, which is equals to 20%. So the answer is 20%, which is in option 1. Next, coming to 6th question. The cost price of 15 articles is same as selling price of 10 articles. What is given? 10 articles selling price is equals to 15 articles cost price. So S by C, which is equal to 15 by 10, that equals to 3 by 2. Profit percent. So profit percent or gain percent, both are same, equals to S by C minus 1 into 100, that equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 into 100, that equals to 1 by 2 into 100. On simplification you get 50%. So the answer is 50%. Now see here, a shoe company sold 50 pairs of shoes on a day costing 1,899.50 each for 10,000 rupees. Then the profit obtained is, here is asking profit, not profit percentage. How many articles is sold? 50. Sorry, how many pairs is sold? 50 pairs. Okay, let us find cost price of each pair, which is given in the question directly. The costing 189.50 each. It means cost price of each pair is 189.5. What is the selling price? Here is given 50 pairs selling price, because he show company sold 50 pairs of shoes for 10,000 rupees. So 50 pairs of selling pairs is equivalent to 10,000. So S is equivalent to, cost selling price of each article will be 10,000 by 50, which is equals to 200. Now profit per pair equals to, what is profit per pair? Selling price minus cost price of each pair. What is selling price of each pair? 200. What is cost price of each pair? 189.5, which is equivalent to 10.5. Now how many pairs is sold? 50. So total profit equals to 50 into profit on each shoe pair, so 10.5. On simplification you get 50 into 10.5, which is nothing but 525. So the answer is option 2. Now here, see, look into this question. Salim had to sell vegetables worth 5,000. It means worth, the cost price is 5,000, for 4,000 rupees. It means he sold it for 4,000. Will you get a loss or profit? Will get a loss. Loss is equal to how much? 1,000. Why he sell it for 4,000? Due to heavy rainfall. That is not necessary for us, not required for us. Simple. Here cost price is 5,000, selling price is 4,000. What is the loss percentage? Loss percentage equals to loss by cost price into 100. The loss is 1,000. Cost price is 5,000 into 100, that equals to 20%. Option